This Kaishengyuan Wireless Charger is tailored to fit the factory dashboard vents of specific Ford F-150 Super Duty and Expedition models, so it looks integrated rather than like an add-on gadget. The magnetic mount uses a dense array of magnets to clamp phones very firmly, which keeps navigation screens stable even when the truck is bouncing around on rough roads. Fast charging hardware and a wired 15-watt output let it top up compatible phones noticeably quicker than basic in-car chargers, while built-in safeguards help protect against heat and electrical faults. A fully adjustable arm with complete rotation makes it easy to angle the screen exactly where you want it, without blocking airflow or your view of the road. Installation is straightforward, with a vehicle-specific base that locks into the vent securely, so you are not fighting with suction cups or adhesives that can fall off. Once installed, you can attach or remove your phone one-handed, which makes everyday driving and following maps feel smoother and less distracting.